guys, it's ARIBA and I'm back with another tutorial for you guys. Today we're going to be doing my very first Indian/Pakistani get ready with me video. So we have a wedding in our family for the first time in almost a decade, and I got my hands on some Indian/Pakistani clothes, and I'm going to continue to say Indian/Pakistani because I've been posting some pictures on Instagram and I don't know the difference between the two when it comes to the clothes. To me, they look very similar, and I scrambled to find some clothes and put a look together for you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for Indian/Pakistani kind of look from me, and here it is. We're finally doing it. This is kind of my go-to hairstyle when I was doing a lot of brides and bridal parties, because it looks very complex, but it's fast and easy, and it's stupid easy. Like, you can definitely do this yourself at home, so don't be intimidated by how complex it looks. So first we're gonna start by setting my tikka. This is the jewelry. I didn't even take the tag off. So my jewelry's from Bangles. I'll leave the link for them down below. They were kind enough to like hook me up very last minute. I still have all the tags on. So these are the earrings that she sent over, and then this is the tikka. Oh my god. And just so you guys know, I've never worn anything like this in my entire life, and this is actually the first time I'm wearing a ghagra. I've never worn a ghagra in my entire life either. So I'm really excited to put this together. I've been like researching lots of like Indian Pakistani looks and trying to get some inspiration because it is a little bit out of my like ordinary kind of style of hairdressing and doing makeup and jewelry and dressing up. So I definitely did my research. So, you know, I think I have a very Eastern inspired look for you guys, all right? You guys be the judge. Let me know in the comments. So the curls in my hair are about a day old. I curled them and I slept in them, and then this is just kind of what it looks like the next day. I do have my hair extensions clipped in as well. I do recommend wearing hair extensions for this hairstyle. Tons of hair is always like a good look, I think, with like the more Eastern style vibe. And so we're gonna start first by setting our tikka into place, and then we're gonna very quickly get into the hairstyles. So I'm gonna go like 2 or 3 inches back away from my head, and we're gonna take out a tiny section just in the crown here, and we're gonna tease that first. So we're just gonna pull it forward like this, and we're gonna quickly just tease it like so. And you wanna keep your teasing light and fluffy, and once you get to the middle of the hair, you're gonna stop and just drop it. So now we have our second section, and we're gonna pull it forward, and we're gonna start at the root, and we're gonna tease, 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 tease. And then when I get to like the middle here, we're gonna stop and we're gonna drop it. And then we're gonna do one more section before I get to my hair extension. And we're gonna tease, 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 tease. And then when we get to like kind of the mid area, we're gonna stop. And I'm just smoothing it with the side of the brush so I don't take out any of the teasing. But so that it also doesn't look crazy. So you can see it's a very soft cushion. All right, so now we have like this 70s poof going, which is like a thing in a lot of Eastern hairstyles that I've been seeing. They love the like poof. So we're gonna poof today, okay? And so you're gonna like kind of set your tikka where you want it. I don't know where it's supposed to go, guys. Oh, okay, we're gonna place it here. It comes with this like little hook. So in the hook, I'm just gonna place a small bobby pin like so, okay? So this is gonna go in vertical into the teasing that I just did, and then I'm gonna take a second bobby pin and cross it like so. Okay, so I just slid it into all of the teasing. Okay, and I've been told by one of my girlfriends, Himali, to set this with eyelash glue so it doesn't move, because it's doing like, it's gonna drive me crazy unless it's glued down. So we'll do that at the very end. But now we're gonna just start on the braid, and it's extremely easy, okay? So all you need are some elastic bands. All right, so we're gonna start with this round section here that I kind of teased. And this is the most important section that you're gonna basically create. We're just gonna quickly tie an elastic. Okay, so now we're gonna take our next section, and you're gonna go 1 inch forward from your last section, and you're just gonna create 2 equal kind of ponytails, and you're gonna go all the way back, okay? And again, if you see my hair extensions, just ignore that. In the space between your 2 ponytails, you're just gonna create a little hole like so, okay? And in this hole, you're gonna just take your fingers and you're gonna put 2 fingers through, and you're gonna take the tail end and you're gonna loop it through like so. And that's it. Like, that is literally all that we're gonna be doing today, okay? Like, it doesn't get easier than that. So now I'm just gonna take these 2 sections here and I'm gonna go over that old ponytail. And then you're gonna take that little space right there and you're gonna put your fingers through and you're just gonna loop it like so. So we're gonna fan this open at the very end, so don't worry about it being fanned out right now. So now I'm gonna take 2 new sections right here. So I'm just gonna pull this forward because my arms don't go far back anymore. So we're just gonna take these 2 sections from the side and we're gonna bring them forward. Yeah, we're just gonna go through like that and that's it. And as the pieces kind of fall out of this braid, it's gonna look nicer. So don't stress about the pieces falling out. So I'm gonna just like loosen everything up. So now we're just gonna do all of our final touches. So I'm gonna just go in and kind of touch up these curls a little bit and clean them up. They look really pretty the way they're falling. And this is like a 1-inch wand that I'm using. So you see how like complex and complicated this style looks, but it's actually so easy to do. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the way it looks now. So I'm just gonna kind of secure this Tika. So I'm gonna just take some eyelash glue. I'm using velour lash glue because it's literally solid and it doesn't budge. So I'm gonna just put some eyelash glue on here. And then we're just gonna place it like so. And this is the final look. What do you guys think of all of the stuff? This is more jewelry than I think I've ever worn in my entire life, but I did consult my cousins before putting this look together, and apparently this is kind of the way to go. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this look. It's very much out of my comfort zone, but it's sparking a lot of creativity in me, and I definitely want to explore like this vibe a little bit more. So if you guys want to see more Eastern looks from me, please comment down below and let me know. And I really hope you guys enjoyed my very first Indian Pakistani Get Ready With Me video. If you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one. Bye.